Hello, my name is Chris Rogers with Mathnasium, and today we are going to be going over the forgiveness method for division. Now, this is the other way that schools have been going over how to do division, and it utilizes more place values as opposed to following the standard algorithm where you more or less just put numbers and run away with them. So in this case, we are going to start with the number 1,745, and we are going to divide that number by 5. Now, the first step in doing this method is we actually take this dividing bar and we extend it down the side, and you'll see why that is in just a little while. So, the first thing we're going to need to do is look at the thousands place, and here we have a 1. So we think, how many times can 5 fit into 1,000? And off the top of your head, you may know that 5 times 2 is 10, and then we're going to need 2 additional zeros in order to reach the thousands place. So we can say that 5 times 200 is 1,000. We can take that away, and we'll be left with 745. Now, once we have that 745, we can go to the next place value over and think, how many times could 5 fit into 700? And you may think, one time would be 500, so we can just say 5 times 100. It's going to give us 500. We can subtract that away. 5 minus 0 is 5, 4 minus 0 is 4, and 7 minus 5 is 2. Then we just repeat the process. How many times would 5 be able to fit into 200? Well, we know that 5 times 4 is 20. And then we add another 0 to make it 200. So 5 times 40 is going to be 200. We subtract that away. We are going to be left with 45. Then lastly, 5 times what number is 45? Well, 5 times 10 would give us 50. So one group of 5 less than that, 5 times 9 would give us 45. We can subtract it, and once we have nothing left over, we can take all of these numbers off to the side here and simply add them up. So 200 plus 100 plus 40 plus 9. So we have 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 9. That's going to give us 9. 0 plus 0 is 4, or 0 plus 0 plus 4 is 4, and then 2 plus 1 gives us 3. So 1,745 divided by 5 would be 349. But just to make absolutely sure that we didn't make any mistakes, we take that number, 349, and we multiply it by 5 just to double check ourselves. So 9 times 5 would be 5. Carry the 4. 5 times 4 is 20. Plus 4 is 24. So we carry the 2. 5 times 3 is 15. Plus 2 would be 17. And yep, just as expected, we got our answer of 1,745. And that is how you do the forgiveness method of division. So, if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below in the video. And if you have any other topics that you are interested in being covered by us at Mathnasium, just leave a comment down below as well. And look forward to seeing you again in our future videos. Have a great day.